everyone, it's Chris O. How you doing? What's happening now is like this is an incredible strip out. I have no labourer. It's always me. I'm a Gemini, so there's two people actually. If you get it. Now this is it's a real good strip out. Even right down to, you see at this doorway, that's where my finger is, that's the grout line. I'll be coming to there because I'm going to be building the whole floor up 40 mil because I'm doing a walk-in shower there, about 900 wide it'll be, just with a glass screen. This has all been stuck down here, so I'll just jackhammer it up. Half of it's drummy, it's working out well. That's where the shower tray is. It's a built up shower tray with a hob. I'll take that out in 3 or 4 buckets. It's history. So it's all going well. We'll see you soon, and I'll give you another update soon. This is Chris O. Stay tuned to my channel. Give us a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. Good on you. And there's heaps to see yet. This is only the beginning, people. Something to always remember, people, is put a sponge or a cloth or something to protect anything going down your waist. It's a biggie. If you're demolishing and you let everything go down there, you're in trouble big time. Just something to remember. The DIY that's not used to stripping out. People. Enjoying my channel. What I am trying to do is make it fun and enjoyable to watch. I don't want to be boring. If I am, let me know. And I'll try and fix it somehow. Everything seems damp though, you know? I must be imagining it though. I just held a piece up to my face and it doesn't feel, doesn't feel damp. Just seems like it. You think it's jackhammer? I don't know. Now I'll tell you what, that's why I waterproof on top of the screed now. I used to do it like this for years and years and years, but now I screed and put my waterproof on top, because like they haven't used the shower for a little while, so it's not bad. But this mud is just full of water, grey water, all the time when you waterproof on the floor. And I don't reckon it's the way to go, even though I did it for years. Now I waterproof on top of my screed, which I've then got the fall to my waist. There's no water trapped. This is a major water trap when it's waterproofed, when your waterproof membrane is on the concrete floor. I reckon it's a major water trap, because they haven't done any pre-slope or anything, so water's just sitting there. Okay, we'll see you soon.